Welcome to the best picks. The best LED underglow lights are probably one of the most sought-after modifications for trucks, offering a blend of style and safety. From subtle glows to vibrant, color-changing displays, these lights dramatically change the look of your truck, enhancing its presence on the road and making it easily noticeable, even in low-light conditions. This video will explore the top picks, helping you find the perfect underglow lighting setup to match your truck and personal style. Number 5. Nilight 4 PCS Car Underglow Lights. It boasts 252 SMD 5050 LED chips for ultra-bright and uniform illumination. This enhances your car's look and your driving experience. Enjoy 8 static colors, 4 dynamic sound-active modes, and more. Let it pulse to the beat of your music for an amazing visual and auditory experience. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand harsh conditions. Rain, speed, and bumps won't stop it from performing. Power it via your 12V cigarette lighter or a fused power cable. The strong adhesive and included hardware ensure a secure and stable installation. It fits various vehicles, from cars and trucks to RVs and SUVs. The kit includes 4 LED strips, a remote, control box, and all necessary mounting hardware. What we like. It boasts 252 LEDs for ultra brightness and offers 8 colors with sound-active modes. If you are looking for vibrant, music-reactive underglow lights that are easy to install, this is a great option for enhancing your driving experience. The multiple modes and bright lights will make your vehicle stand out from the crowd. What people say. They are super bright. One light would have been more than bright enough for a pickup with a camper shell cap when installed overhead. These lights were very easy to install. They're super bright. They're somewhat visible during the day, but really pop at night. Number 4. Govee Underglow Car Lights. Transform your vehicle's look with our new underglow lights. Experience vibrant colors and dynamic lighting effects to personalize your ride. With RGBIC technology, you can choose from millions of colors or even match the colors from your favorite photos. Customize your car's ambience to perfectly match your mood. Let your car lights dance to the beat. Use the built-in microphone to synchronize the lights with your music for a truly immersive driving experience. Easily manage your lights from anywhere using the Govee Home app. Adjust colors, brightness, and modes with simple taps on your smartphone. Installation is a breeze with the included long wires and mounting accessories. Securely attach them to your vehicle for a long-lasting, reliable setup. They're designed with a durable, waterproof sleeve to withstand the elements. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that they're built to last and are safe for various vehicles. Remember to avoid excessive force when handling the lights, and use a DC 12-24V power supply. Do not use with a cigarette lighter. What we like. This product stands out with its 16 million color options and app control for personalized customization. If you value smart features and want to create unique lighting effects, this is the perfect choice. The app allows for precise control over color and patterns, and the music sync feature adds a dynamic element to your driving experience. What people say. The Govee Underglow lights offer an astonishing 16 million colors to choose from. What sets these lights apart is the RGBIC, red, green, blue, independent control, technology. Each pod in the set can display multiple colors simultaneously, creating mesmerizing color combinations and gradients that move in sync. Installing these lights was surprisingly simple. The kit includes all the necessary components and adhesive tapes, ensuring a hassle-free setup. The lights are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks, and they operate on a DC 12-24V power supply. Number 3. Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights. Get ready to transform your vehicle's look with our new Rock Lights kit. It's packed with features and easy to install, making it perfect for any off-road enthusiast. Control it all from your smartphone. Use the app to change colors, set timers, and even sync the lights to your music. With flashing, music mode, and automatic control, you can customize your lighting experience to match your mood or the occasion. They're made with a rock-solid die-cast aluminum housing and toughened glass, ensuring they can withstand even the toughest conditions. Plus, They're waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, and rustproof. These lights are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from trucks and SUVs to ATVs and motorcycles. Installation is straightforward, just connect the lights together before connecting to the power. Your kit comes with 4 rock lights, rubber pads, wiring harnesses, and a controller, everything you need for a complete installation. What we like. It features app control, music mode, and a rock-solid construction. If you need durable, versatile lights for off-road adventures or want the convenience of app control, this is an excellent choice. Its rugged design can withstand tough conditions, making it ideal for various vehicles and terrains. What people say. Each puck has 3 committed diodes, 1 red, 1 green, 1 blue, which give bright, 3-tone light. Simple to install, but you should know how to wire switches and accessories to the battery and run cords. Better than expected build quality for import light kit. Each light comes with mounting hardware, hex bolts with tiny nut. Depending on install, you will need to supply your own washers. Cords are thick and seam durable. Bright and awesome. These have 3 dedicated LEDs per puck, 1 red, 1 green, and 1 blue. They create colors by mixing different amounts of each light, which means they're quite bright. Number 2. OPT7 Aura Aluminum Underglow LED Kit. Get ready to transform your truck's look with the OPT7 Aura. Its vibrant, customizable lighting will set you apart from the crowd. With 252 LEDs across 4 movable bars, it delivers an incredibly bright and even underglow. The durable silicone casing ensures long-lasting performance. Enjoy 16 colors and 5 dynamic modes, including a sound-active mode that syncs to your music. Control it all effortlessly with the included remote. It's completely waterproof and ready for anything, rain, snow, mud, you name it. The included fuse protects your vehicle's electrical system. The Aura's Door Assist feature illuminates automatically when you unlock your doors, improving visibility and security. Installation is a breeze, and you're covered by our 1-year warranty and US-based customer support. We've got your back. What we like. This model features 252 LEDs, a unique door assist feature, and is completely waterproof. If you prioritize safety and want a feature that enhances visibility and security, this is a great option. The door assist function adds an extra layer of security, while the waterproof design ensures it performs reliably in any weather. What people say. The housing and cables for the light strips are high quality and the lights are vivid. They are encased in a metal sheathing with some sort of clear rubbery coating on the side where the lights shine, and to this day mud, dirt, and debris have not affected them. Easily the best underglow money can buy. Not exaggerating, I've had loads in my 11 years of driving. These are solid in aluminum casing, silicone tight to prevent water or condensation within the LEDs. The power supply box has watertight features and it's just an all-around insane bit of kit. Number 1. OPT7 Aura Pro Underglow Lights. Take your vehicle's style to the next level with our Bluetooth app. It unlocks vibrant effects, endless color options, and music sync modes, turning your ride into a mobile party. Download the app for easy control. These underglow lights are meticulously crafted for long-lasting performance. Made with premium aluminum and silicone, they offer exceptional resistance against damage, far surpassing plastic alternatives. Enjoy 252 LEDs across 4 bars. Setting up your underglow is a breeze. With secure mounting brackets and a 12V direct power battery harness, installation is safe and easy. An optional fuse tap adapter is available for even simpler setup. They fit cars, SUVs, trucks, and RVs. The waterproof, aluminum casing ensures your vehicle shines in any weather, day or night. Sync the lights to your music for an amazing light show. Enjoy peace of mind with our hassle-free 1-year warranty. If any lights need replacing, we've got you covered. What we like. It offers both app and remote control, is made of durable aluminum, and has a music sync function. If you want the ultimate in control and customization, along with a premium, long-lasting product, this is the top choice. The combination of app and remote control provides maximum flexibility, and the aluminum construction ensures superior durability. What people say. Build quality is really nice. The aluminum frame is lightweight and rigid, which helps mounting it correctly and firmly. Brightness is pretty bright and gives the wow factor. The aluminum housings are rigid and strong. I was able to easily route the wire under body panels and attach the long side rails with rare earth magnets under the chassis. Using magnets eliminated the need to drill holes and hold really well. Overall, the brightness is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.